Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, and welcome to my home.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Today we'll be making quick and easy pizzas, I hope. I'm going to be using flatbread, pita bread, and raw biscuit dough, which I've never tried, but we're going to see what happens. I'm using sanitizing wipes to wipe down the station in my hands, so I keep everything nice and clean. Oh, okay. It whispered to me saying, don't put too much sauce. And the sauce I just used, chopped raw canned tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and a little piece of sauce, stirred it up. You don't want it too thick for this. So, first thing we're going to try to do is we're going to spray some of these. This is flatbread. Pita. And I have a stone on my grill. I'm not getting stoned, but I have a stone on my grill. And this is the dough, which we're going to find out if it's going to work first or not. So we're going to see how this works, how it comes out. Oh, that's hot. No guarantees here. Whoa. Already got a nice grill mark. Well, it only took about 30 seconds for these. They got the grill marks on them. This is the flatbread. And we'll give that the pitas another about 30-40 seconds. And then I'm going to see how that biscuit dough is. I try to turn it to pizza dough. It may work, it may not work. I don't know. But you don't know until you try. All right. Getting some nice marks here. Hope this works. Looks like this might be like a thick crust pizza with the biscuit dough. So the biscuit dough looks like it's pretty good. Turns out it looks like a little bit like a really nice pancake, but it's actually going to be like a deep dish, a thick crust pizza. So we're going to leave them on for about 30 seconds more. We're going to assemble them, and we'll see what happens. Okay, the first pizza we're going to make is what they call Margherita pizza. Take your crust, you make a sauce out of chopped tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, and I use a little pizza sauce, mix it all together, but it's a thinner sauce. And we'll go from there. You can see the chunks of tomatoes in there. And there's nice chunks of tomatoes. Next we're going to add fresh tomato. We added fresh sliced tomatoes. A little bit of basil. We're going to finish it with basil also. Opa. Fresh mozzarella cheese. They call this buffalo mozzarella. I don't. A little more basil. You don't want to use the powdered, you want to use the fresh. Okay, we're going to put these on the grill and on the stone, and while they're cooking, we're going to, forgot, I'm also going to add a little sprinkle of like paprika just to help them brown a little bit, since I don't have a broiler. So the next one we're going to make is a pepperoni pizza. I have a thick crust, which I made out of biscuit dough, and then I also have a pita bread here, and a nice chunky sauce. I'm going to use shredded mozzarella cheese. I like to finely shred it because it's going to melt faster. You can either have it sliced at the deli, you can buy it, they have it refrigerated, they have it shelf stable, whatever you want. I'm going to sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese. A bit of my browning spice, which is like paprika, cumin, chili powder, not a lot. Let's see what we got going here. You can see that this is browning up nicely. I moved the Margherita pizzas up to the top shelf. I'm going to try something. It won't leak all over the place. And we're going to give them about 3 minutes. And this is a pepperoni pizza, one on a thick crust, which I use biscuit dough for. Okay, I'm going to cut these up here. All right, we got the pepperoni pizzas off. I think these are good individual dinner size. So here we have the Margherita pizza, thin and thick crust. This is the pepperoni and cheese pizza, same way. So I hope you enjoyed it. The thick crust pizza I made out of biscuit dough from Grand's. And they turned out pretty good, I think. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer on YouTube. Please subscribe. And if there's something you want to say, leave a comment, good or bad, hopefully good. And if there's something you would like me to make, let me know. Give me suggestions, but Be nice. I cry easily.